And we live. You ready? 3, 2, 1. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay. If you don't say the day, you ain't part of the game, man. On phone now. So check it, man. Today
I got time, cuz.
we're doing another unboxing. You feel me?
Another one.
I told you we're gonna have them bangers back to back. You feel me? Back to back.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Another new look you did coming to the channel, you know, and I want y'all guys to see what we working with. So look, check it out. We got something. Boom! Ooh, 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 ooh. A Ruger. Guess in the comments right now. Don't skip forward. But guess in the comments right now what type of Ruger I got inside this box. Go ahead. Alright, man. Enough guessing, man. Check it. So this what we gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all a little hint. Ooh. If you don't see the tag, man, the tag say 5.7 by 28. And for you guys know, that's the FN round. So guess what this is? Yes, sir. This is the Ruger 5.7. So when you open up the box, 5.7, you get the 5.7 pistol itself. You get two 20-round magazines. About around 5.7 round being so small, it stacks 20-round magazines. Yeah. The optics plate on the top. And OLED PL battery doesn't come with it. It's just a lot of box. Comes with a lock. Comes with a lock. That is the price tag. How much I paid for it. But yeah, I'm do 5.7, man. That's pretty much it.
Ain't seen your name across my phone in like 2 days. That's fucked up. I'm trying to make you my little boo, babe. You scared to love your heart fucked up and I don't know why.
Alright, man. Back up top, man. So check it, man. Yeah. I got the gloves on today, so you niggas can't see it, but I'm ashy now. You don't know if nigga had the lotion on or the lotion off, you feel me? Good. So check it. Back up top. Shout out to Firearm. The Firearm is safe. Lock the style back. Show you that the Firearm is safe. Nothing in the chamber. Nothing in the mag. As you can see, I have a optics plate on here already. This optics plate is from, I forgot, but if you can look and you see, I should do a video on that. This optics plate is for the Hollison 507C. Yeah, Hollison 507C. It's an RMR cut. It's not the Vortex cut. It's the RMR cut. Yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all how that look on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there too, so y'all can see how that thing look and how it run. And well, I don't know about how it run. I've been looking for 5.7 ammo. You know, would you believe how hard it is to find 5.7 ammo? Like, damn, y'all don't make 5.7 ammo. So yeah, I racked up on a decent amount of ammo, but not as much as I would like to have for this firearm to shoot it comfortably. So I'm gonna just try to hang on to all my 5.7 ammo until then. But yeah, man, Ruger 5.7. As you can see, I have the hood, the FN 5.7 hollow tips in there. The blue tips. Yeah. A lot of people that don't know what this gun is or this round is. They be like, boy, you got chopper shells. Boy, you got chopper shells inside a handgun, boy. Boy, you got chopper shells inside a handgun, boy.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Yeah. But yeah. Ruger 5.7. So safe. I'm gonna go ahead. Take that out. Nothing's in the mag. I got a little Olight PL Pro Valkyrie Olight PL Pro on there. I got it because it's just like it's flush with the gun, you know. It looks good, you know. This gun look a lot like futuristic. Yeah. Ruger 5.7, man. I've shot this gun. I haven't shot this exact gun, but I shot a friend's gun that had the same gun, and like this gun has 0 kick. I think I got some footage of me shooting this gun. If I got some footage, I'm gonna plug it in the video. But I don't remember dropping the footage. I remember shooting it, but I don't remember dropping the video. I got a lot of footage of me being at the range. I go to the range a lot, but I just be lazy editing the footage and all that. I got a lot of footage even saved up, you know, shooting footage. But yeah, Ruger 5.7, man. This is a long gun. I believe this gun, the slide is long as ever. I'm gonna grab one of my Glocks and I'm gonna show you how long this slide is compared to one of my Glocks. I'm back. Yeah, twin Glocks. Good. Glock 22 40 cal, Glock 19X. Now, this one is clear. Glock 22 40 cal. This is considered a 4-size gun. This is a police. This is what the police carry, which is in my city, Chicago. And this is the Ruger 5.7. See how long it is compared to that. See how long that is, man. I'll grab them like that. Boom. See how long it is? It's way longer. It's thinner, but longer. And this is a 4-size gun. So imagine you got a 4-size gun compared to, you know, this is about the size of a Glock 34. I'm gonna say that. Also has no kick at all. The 5.7 round has no kick, but it travels faster. A lot of people say the 5.7 round goes through body armor. Unless you got those extra plates in there. Those I think it's they call steel. You wear steel or Kevlar or something like that. No, I got Kevlar in there. I ain't wear versatile body armor. Don't jump down my throat. Damn. Chill out. Educate me, I educate you. If I know, we share information on this channel. No, so yeah. But this is my daily carry, Glock 19X. Show you how the Glock 19X look compared to that Ruger. Yeah, that thing is long as ever. Yeah, I just like that flush fitted. You see that flush fitted? Like on the Glock 19X. Ruger. I just like how the light fits flush. Yeah. I just had the song "Clunk Ain't Dead" by Deuces. That was just in my head. But yeah, show you how those things look. You see how much more space behind that Ruger. So you line up the slides from the back. Boom. It's about the Glock 34 size. But yeah, dude, see how thick the magazine is. Hold on, I'm gonna show you a regular magazine. This is a regular Glock 22 magazine, which holds 15. This is a Ruger 5.7 magazine, holds 20. They're basically the same size. Yeah, but that Ruger mag is way skinnier than that Glock mag. Both of these are double stack magazines. You see that? Boom. But it's just thicker. See how thicker that Ruger 5.7 is than that Glock 22. Turn them the same direction. Boom. If I put one on top of the other, line them up, you see that Ruger mag still got a lot of space behind it. A lot of space behind it. All this space back here. About that much. About the tip of a finger. Yeah. And by that mag being so long, the grip is actually wider than a regular grip. So the gun is thinner, right? But the grips on the Ruger is wider than a regular grip. So as I get a full purchase on the gun here, the grip, I can get my fingers around. If I get a full purchase on the Ruger, I can get it around too, but it's thinner. Like the grip is, I don't know how to really explain it, but the grip is thinner, but it's wider and like here, but it's thinner this way. Boy, what you scared of? Boy, I ain't gonna shoot you through the, I ain't gonna shoot you. Ain't nothing in there. Don't be ducking. But yeah, like the grip is thinner here, but wider here than your average handgun. I don't know how Ruger managed to do it, but this gun is actually comfortable to hold in your hand with the wider grip. It actually feels like you're holding a regular gun. You get a good grip on the gun. But yeah, man, that's the Ruger 5.7. Chambered at 5.7 by 28 FN round. Yeah, the Ruger 5.7. I had the gun for a while. Haven't got a chance to shoot my Ruger, but I've shot this firearm before. The ballistics on this is great firearm, great ballistics. Yeah, I want you guys to comment in the comments. Let me know if you guys like the Ruger, if you guys want the Ruger, how you guys experience with the Ruger or the Ruger 5.7. This is a much cheaper 5.7 chambered pistol than an FN 5.7. A lot of you guys know what the FN 5.7 is. And it also comes optic ready, unlike the FN 5.7. But I bought this optic pistol. I forgot where I got it. I'll probably link it in the description if I find it. If I don't, just ask me in the comments. I might look it up then if somebody wants to know. Yeah, Ruger 5.7, man. Yeah, we dropping another banger, man. I told you, man. And yeah, we out.